Hello guys, we're gonna dive into yet another credit building app, right? Today, we're diving into Credit Strong, one of the best ways to build or rebuild your credit while saving money at the same time, okay? I'm gonna briefly explain what it is, all right? Credit Strong is a credit builder loan that helps you improve your credit scores while saving money, all right? It's designed for people with no credit, bad credit, or those just looking to strengthen your credit profile, which is a lot of us, right? A lot of people that, you got your credit clean with us. Now it's time to strengthen this credit profile, right? So we stand by Credit Strong, okay? Let me just tell you guys how it works, all right? So you're gonna go to the link below this video and you're gonna apply with no hard credit check. That's the number one thing, is no hard credit check, right? How Credit Strong works, they hold your loan amount in a locked savings account while you make monthly payments. Each on-time payment gets reported to all three major bureaus, Equifax, Experian, TransUnion, helping you build a positive payment history, right? This is gonna help your credit, guys, positive payment history. Once the loan is paid off, you get access to the savings. So you're ultimately saving money while building your score up, guys. You really can't beat this, okay? Here's some of the plans, all right? They have a revolving plan, right? This is a line that's designed to boost your utilization and payment history. They have an installment plan, with a traditional installment helps you establish a solid payment history, okay? And this increases your credit mix. And then they have a Magnum plan, right? This is a high dollar credit builder loan, ideal for people looking to add on a large trade line. The Magnum goes up to $30,000, okay? Some of the benefits of Credit Strong, okay? Again, no hard credit check. Reports to all three bureaus, helping you improve credit history. Builds credit while saving money, okay? You're saving on the back and you're getting this money back. So it's perfect for saving money and building credit at the same time. Also, flexible payment plans. You don't have to pay a whole bunch of money. You can start low and you can build this thing up so it works for any budget, okay? And then at the same time, you're boosting your credit mix. This helps you diversify your credit profile, okay? Let's just talk about who should use Credit Strong. Again, anyone with no credit or bad credit, or if you're just looking to establish a strong credit history, okay? Entrepreneurs, business owners trying to build up your credit to get business funding, people who want large trade lines, especially with the Magnum plan, okay? And anyone planning to make a big purchase, a home, a car, and you need a stronger credit profile, then Credit Strong is gonna be your best friend, all right? Potential downside to consider is that the monthly payments must be made on time to avoid negative reporting. So they do report late payments, guys, okay? So you have to make these payments on time. Choose an amount that will be, in your budget to where it's pretty easy to make these payments on time. Also, remember, you're getting this money back on the back end, okay? Again, another downside, funds are locked until the loan is paid off in full, okay? So your funds are locked up until you pay it off in full, all right? And then interest and fees can add up over time if it's not managed properly, right? So you can get interest tagged on, okay? Again, how to sign up and get started, you're gonna click the link below this video. You're gonna apply, it takes minutes to apply, no hard inquiries. And then you start your monthly payments to build your credit. You're gonna track your progress using your credit monitoring system that we've recommended for you. And Credit Strong is gonna help you build up your credit, guys. Again, we stand by Credit Strong. We've been recommending it to quite a few of our members since we've started doing credit repair. This is a great app, great addition to building your credit. If you guys need to get started with Credit Strong, click the link below this video. Please reach out to us, like, comment, subscribe. Reach out to us if you need our help. Thank you so much.